Hello and welcome guys. Thank you for your support. In this video, I'm going to make 2-point perspective. Hope you enjoy this video. So let's get started. First, you need to draw a horizontal line to make 2 points. Since it's 2-point perspective, you need to draw 2 points. Then I drew left and right side. I also drew up and down. First, I did the top window to make the sides easier to see. Then I made the lines darker, only the ones I needed. Erase some lines. I also darkened some boxes which I needed. Now I will finish the right side first, then I'll move on to left side. Everything with a pen, so it was easier to erase all of the extra lines I don't need it. Now for the shading part. I used a 9 HB pencil to do the darker shade. Then I used the HB 2 pencil to do the lighter shade. I used the earbud to make the shade smoother. I did the grass, the window. I drew some clouds first for the sky. Lastly, I did the shadow. Then you're done. for watching. I hope you like this video. If you have not subscribed yet, please do so. Don't forget to like and comment what you feel about this video. See you next time.